Good morning, Global Studies students. Here we go, another week and another week's instructions. All right, let's go down to November 4th through 11th. This one's going to be a little bit emptier than most in terms of the folders and what we're covering. So here we go. We are in the midst of transitioning to distance learning, so let's take a walk through. First of all, please, if you've not been doing so, please put this document into Notability and use it as a checklist. I think it'll be a wonderful opportunity if you've not done it to keep track of what is going on, especially since we are in the transition period to distance learning for everyone. So here we go. Today, Thursday, is a catch-up day. All right? We are giving you, as a Global Studies department, a day to get caught up on all of the stuff that you need to do. As I've been looking at the author's notes for Global and ELA, there's a lot of people that are not done with all of the different boxes and categories. Use today to get caught up with that. All right. Then I would look at CNN 10. It is due tonight, Thursday, on Schoology at 11:59. So again, that's an assignment. So you will fill it out for reflections and submit. Then your Global ELA and notes are also due tonight by 11:59. It is an assignment, so it must be submitted on Schoology. Friday, there is no school. Monday, there is no school. And Tuesday, there is no school as we are trying to get ready for distance learning, everybody going on distance learning. On Wednesday, it will be a catch-up day as well. All right, we are giving you this time to get caught up. And the next Thursday, we will start into our new model of distance learning. In case you do not know what you fall into, I'm going to go back to my main Schoology page, and you will see with the distance learning schedule. I have put this as a PDF, so you can print it off, you can keep it on here, but this will show what you are going to be doing each day and what times you are supposed to log in and Zoom with your class. That's all for this week. It's a pretty low-key week, but if you are missing any work, this is a wonderful opportunity to get that work in and get those grades up. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I will see everybody face-to-face via Zoom, all three cohorts, starting next Thursday.